In today's video, we're diving into the realm of colossal tractors and unveiling the biggest machines that are transforming agriculture as we know it. These behemoths bring power, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology to the field, revolutionizing the way we work the land. So let's get started. Our first contender is the mighty John Deere 9RX series. These tractors are true titans, boasting jaw-dropping horsepower exceeding 600 and weighing in at a mind-boggling 60,000 pounds. It's like having a heavyweight champion right in your fields. Equipped with advanced features like integrated precision farming systems and intelligent hydraulic systems, the John Deere 9RX series is a productivity powerhouse. From heavy-duty hauling to precise field tasks, this tractor dominates with ease, making farm work a breeze. Moving on to our next player, we have the formidable Case IH Steiger Quadtrac series. These tractors mean business, flexing their muscles with horsepower ratings exceeding 600 and weighing over 50,000 pounds. It's like having an armored tank dedicated to farming. What makes these tractors stand out is their unique Quadtrac design, with 4 independent tracks that provide superior traction and minimize soil compaction. With raw power and advanced technologies, the Case IH Steiger Quadtrac tractors tackle the toughest farming tasks like champs. Next up, let's meet the mighty New Holland T9 series. These tractors command attention with their impressive size, power, and advanced capabilities. With horsepower options exceeding 600 and weighing well over 50,000 pounds, they're like the gentle giants of the farming world. Equipped with features like IntelliSteer auto guidance and IntelliView 4 monitors, these tractors offer enhanced precision and control, making them ideal for high-performance farming. It's like having a skilled partner by your side, taking your farm to the next level. Now let's take a look at the incredible Fendt 1000 Vario series. These tractors are true workhorses, ready to tackle any challenge that comes their way. With horsepower ranging from 380 to 517 and weighing over 30,000 pounds, they're like the heavyweights of the field. What sets them apart is their advanced technology, such as VarioGrip tire pressure regulation and VarioActive continuously variable transmission. These tractors optimize efficiency and versatility, ensuring you get the most out of your farm work. It's like having a trusty companion that's always up for the job. Let's meet the awe-inspiring AGCO Challenger MT900 series. These tractors are giants in every sense of the word. With horsepower exceeding 600 and weighing well over 50,000 pounds, they make a grand entrance wherever they go. Equipped with features like AccuVT continuously variable transmission and comprehensive connectivity options, these tractors redefine what modern farming is capable of achieving. It's like having a master performer that seamlessly combines power, precision, and technological innovation. And there you have it, a showcase of some of the biggest tractors that are revolutionizing modern farming. These colossal machines bring power, efficiency, and advanced technology to the field, making farm work more efficient and productive than ever before.